Presenting Colorx. Color stories at your fingertips.
Although we provide variety of color palettes, you can create your own color palettes based on different themes, or a palette of your stock yarn colors.
To add a new color, you can simply load any JPEG image, and drag any color of your choice, and drop it onto the required box of the color palette. To create a new color palette from the loaded JPEG image of a mood board, let's first reset the existing color palette.
Now, simply drag and drop any color from this image to add to the color palette. And so on.
Let's load an image of a yarn shade card and yarn cones, and add colors to the new color palette.
And so on.
Let's save this color palette.
Now, you can use this color palette to create color stories.
To demonstrate, let's load a color replace design.
Press the Auto button at the top to create color stories in the newly created color palette.
And so on. With Colorx, you are never short of color stories.
Thank you for watching.